So it is my pleasure to welcome everyone this afternoon. In the middle of a pandemic, it's a little hard to do a ribbon cutting, but we really wanted to get a few people together and celebrate this very, very exciting day for Samaritan. We're just so excited to be able to open up this new imaging center at the Health and Wellness Plaza location and to add to the services that we already have here. It was in the fall of 2019 that we opened up the Women's Wellness Center, where we started to introduce mammography and stereotactic, as well as ultrasound and plain film. And today we're actually going to be able to expand those services. From this point on, we're going to be able to add CT as well as MRI to this location. And this will truly be an outpatient community location where people can go and don't have to go to the main campus of the hospital. It'll be a lot easier for our patients and for everyone that comes here as well. So we're just so excited about this opening today. I would note that we're just so pleased that we were able to acquire the assets from Northern Radiology Imaging. And it really has allowed us to strengthen the partnership between the two organizations, Samaritan and Northern Radiology Associates. It's a long-standing relationship. This will allow Samaritan to continue to provide high-quality technical services and Northern Radiology Associates to provide those professional services that they do so well, and actually continue that relationship for many years into the future as well. And I want to thank the members of that group, particularly Dr. Dan Gray, who's with us today, but also Dr. Dean Phillips and Jeff Way as well for all of their support, allowing us to bring this to fruition. And of course, Dr. Dan Weber and Pat Lanigan as well as members of that team. So thank them for allowing us to bring this project to fruition and ultimately acquire those assets and bring them to this location. In addition, you'll have a chance today to see just a beautiful facility. We're so fortunate. It was designed by King & King Architects. It was constructed by Purcell, who's done some great work for us over the years. And we're just so pleased with how this has come out. And I want to thank Chris Bastine and his team, Jeff Messenger, and the rest of the group for helping to oversee this. And of course, I would be remiss if I didn't acknowledge the work that Marie Pasqualini has put into this as well. Marie, thank you so much for what you have done to help us operationalize this and really bring this together as well. So thank you and your team, Jennifer and Andrea as well, for everything that you've done to help make this be possible for us today. And of course, there are members of our senior team, all of you that have worked on this project to bring it to where it is today. Andy Short is our Chief Operating Officer. Dr. Mario Victoria is our Chief Medical Officer, as well as Maxine Briggs, who's helped us on the operational side of this as well. Thanks to each of them for their efforts of helping us to bring this to conclusion as well. And lastly, I would note that a project like this just isn't possible without the support of the board. And I'm just very, very grateful for the board and all the leadership that they have provided, particularly our current chairwoman, Dr. Jan Turcotte. Jan has just provided some great leadership. Due to the pandemic, she's actually extended her leadership and will continue on as the board chair for the next year. And we're just so grateful for everything that she has done for us, her leadership and her guidance and support in all ways. So with that, we're so pleased right now we'll be able to officially cut the ribbon. I'm going to invite Marie Pasqualini and Dr. Dan Gray to come forward. We'll cut the ribbon and this place will be officially opened.
Annie. What do you have?